Here's some indigo dyeing trivia. Subscribe. What plant is primarily used for indigo dyeing? Is it A, bluebell flower, B, Indigofera tinctoria, C, madder root, or D, woad plant? The correct answer is B, Indigofera tinctoria. Which country is known for traditional indigo resist dyeing technique called shibori? Is it A, India, B, China, C, Indonesia, or D, Japan? The correct answer is D, Japan. What technique involves folding fabric to resist dye? Is it A, tie-dyeing, B, weaving, C, shibori, or D, batiking? The correct answer is C, shibori. Indigo dye is derived from which type of plant? Is it A, cotton, B, oak? Cotton is a fiber plant, not a source of indigo dye. Wheat is a cereal grain that does not produce indigo dye. Oak is a tree whose bark or wood is not used for producing indigo dye. C, legumes, or D, wheat? The correct answer is C, legumes. What is the name of the blue indigo pigment? Is it A, azure pigment, B, cyan dye, C, indigo blue, or D, navy color? The correct answer is C, indigo blue. Indigo was historically referred to as which trade commodity? Is it A, red spice, B, cotton candy, C, blue gold, or D, white silver? The correct answer is C, blue gold. Indigo dyeing has roots in which continent? Is it A, Europe, B, Asia, C, Australia, or D, Africa? The correct answer is B, Asia. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.